Welcome. This is Health Rise YouTube channel, where you can rise your health now. Let's start it.
Food choice. Hey there, health risers. Welcome back to Health Rise, where we give you the tips and tools to live your healthiest life. Today, we're talking about something that affects us all: food. Every day, we make choices about what we put on our plates. But how do you know if you're making the right choices for your health? Stick with me for the next 5 minutes as we break down how to make smarter food choices and what factors to consider. Trust me, your body will thank you. Choosing what to eat can sometimes feel overwhelming. Right, there are so many options out there, some good, some not so much. But it all comes down to fueling your body the right way. So, let's break it down. What should you look for when making your food choices? First up, nutritional value. Think of your body like a car. A high-performance car needs high-quality fuel. If you put in low-grade gas, the engine won't run smoothly. Similarly, your body needs high-quality food rich in nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to perform at its best. So, when you're choosing food, think about what nutrients you're getting. Is it whole and unprocessed? Or is it full of chemicals you can't pronounce? 2. Balance and variety. Next is balance and variety. Picture this: your body is like a garden. For a garden to thrive, it needs different types of nutrients: water, sunlight, rich soil. Your body works the same way. You need a variety of foods: proteins, carbs, fats, fruits, and veggies to grow and stay strong. The more colors you have on your plate, the more nutrients you're feeding your body. 3. Lifestyle and goals. The third thing to think about is your lifestyle and goals. What works for one person might not work for you. For example, athletes need more protein to build muscle, while someone focusing on heart health might choose more fiber-rich foods. So ask yourself, what does your body need? What are your goals? Better energy, weight management, or maybe improving heart health? 4. Cultural and social influences. Another important factor is culture and social influence. We all come from different backgrounds with unique food traditions. Sometimes, what's healthy for you can be found in the foods you've grown up with. But the key is to make those traditional foods as healthy as possible, like swapping refined grains for whole grains or adding more veggies to your plate. 5. Budget and accessibility. And finally, let's be real, budget and accessibility are big factors too. Not everyone has access to organic, farm-fresh produce all the time, and that's okay. The goal is to make the best choices you can with what you have. Even small changes, like swapping sugary snacks for fruits or choosing whole grains over processed ones, can make a big difference. Think of food like the tools in a toolbox. The right tools make any job easier. In the same way, choosing healthy foods, your tools, makes it easier for your body to function well. The better the tools, the better the outcome. So, the next time you're deciding between a sugary soda and a glass of water, think about which tool will help your body work better. So, to wrap things up, when it comes to choosing the right foods, consider the nutritional value, balance, your personal goals, and even your budget. Making healthy food choices doesn't have to be complicated. Just focus on fueling your body with the nutrients it needs. And remember, small changes lead to big results. So, whether it's adding more veggies to your plate, choosing whole grains, or cutting back on processed foods, you're moving in the right direction. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one small change you're going to make in your food choices this week? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Rise, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future health tips. Remember, your health is in your hands. Let's rise together.